Dave here, how are you? I'm doing another little Black Label edition video. What I'm doing is, you might see I'm beside my Cyclone here for the dust extractor. And these things fill up and you just don't know when they're full a lot of the time. I've got this little peephole here that I look in, and it has a cap that I put on top. I was going to put a piece of polycarbonate in the side of the drum here so I could have just a visual inspection point. But I've been up and seen autoblastgates.com.au, one of the guys from there called Tony Dyer, and they've come up with this prototype, which is a little sensor. It's this guy, and I'm going to drill a hole in here, mount this in it, and it's got a little thing on the back here. You can adjust the depth as to how far down it'll sense. It'll give me a red light, and then after 10 seconds of actual saying, yeah, this is your full, it will go a blue light. Now the reason being, if there's a whole lot of dust traveling around in here and it's kind of red light on, red light off, red light on, red light off, it's not going to give me a false reading. It's only going solid blue when it says, yeah, mate, you're full, you're full there. It runs off a little 12 volt, I think it's transformer. It runs through this little box here, and inside there is a red LED and a blue LED connection on the side for the power, and there's 2 points there for connecting. One's for the sensor and one is for an external array. So if you've got your dust extractor in another room, you can put this up inside your workshop. So like if I had a wall here, if I was on the other side of the wall, I can still see what's happening. So this is going to be a little bit of fun. I'm not going to show me actually doing it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to drill a hole. I can't get much more basic than that. I'm going to drill a hole through this cap, mount this in it, screw it on, and then I'm going to have a look to see if it works. All done. Wasn't too hard. There it is there in the top. Now I've just got the box sitting here for the moment. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I might just leave it sitting on there. It's plugged into the power point beside it. This guy here will plug in to that spare connection down here. And then I can put this unit, maybe make up a little board for it. And that's got 6 large LEDs. They're blue, and they will go flash, flash, flash 10 seconds after it gets up to size, like gets up to the depth. And I'll show that it works quite well. What I do, I'm going to turn the Dusty on, the Cyclone, and there's no lights showing at all. Now, I'll turn this off. Now that might be good, it might be bad. No lights might mean the thing doesn't work, but it does work. I've taken it out and I tested it. Do you want to see it working? I can do that by undoing this lid and putting it. See, the red LED has come on. Hold on, I'll spin this around. There you go. Watch that. And if it's there for 10 seconds, it'll go blue. Wait for it. There it is. That's just in case there's a whole lot of junk flying around down in there. But how good is that? I think that's pretty cool. Prototype. It's a prototype. Don't go ringing me up and saying, Dave, I need to get one. They're a prototype. But check into autoblastgates.com.au and have a look at the other things. I'm going to be doing some other interesting things with them very soon.